M0FXB, welcome to my channel. Just a quick one here on this stand that came with my Uniden 3600 scanner. There's lots of these on eBay, but it does actually make a nice difference, because the thing about this scanner, it's quite a big scanner, although it's a nice size. If you look at the TRX model here with its chunky rubber case, which is nice, yeah, very nice scanner. It works in a different way than the Uniden, but the end result is the same, that you're scanning all these very interesting frequencies. But anyway, I thought I'd make this video about the stand because I'm so pleased with it. It's just nicer to use, and we'll just put the scan on as well while we're talking as well. So we'll just hit this button here. We're just scanning some quick favorites that I entered, and to enter favorites into scanners, most scanners, it's actually very simple. You just stop the scan and type the frequency like so, enter, and then it gives you the option to save then. Okay, and you can do that with most scanners. The other thing with most scanners is that you can use each number as a band, and you can scan through the bands as well. You just come out of the menu system there, and on the Uniden style you just go menu like so, and go down to search for, and then custom search, and it will start scanning all the different numbers. That's the basics really of using a scanner. But anyway, this video is about the stand, so let's put it in the stand like so, and it sits. I do like it because it's almost like it's a base station. Just come back a bit. There you go. It's like a base station. It just sits there very nicely, very solid. Lots of different scanners out there. The one I'd actually recommend that you start with is the Uniden 125 XLT. That's a really good starting one. You'll pick them up secondhand about £120 new, 150, 160. So, you know, why get a scanner? We've got lots of ham radios here. I've been using ham radios for many years. And you get yourself a budget thing like a Bofang. These are about £30–40. You think this kind of scanner is like nearly £400. So why get a scanner? Well, scanner is a whole new way of receiving radio. I think you need to own one to realize how they work. They're a very sophisticated way of receiving, you know, radio frequencies. Airband, marine band, military band, ham radio band, CB band. It just goes on and on. It's a long list. And the thing about scanners is they have a function where they will do a thing called close call. So when you turn on close call, any strong signal that is near you, you will suddenly see it on the screen, and it will record it for you, and you can just leave it like that and just walk away and come back a few days later, and you can listen back to those frequencies. But that's just touching the surface. You know, if you really want to examine the spectrum, the hobby spectrum of all the different, and the business spectrum of all the frequencies that are out there that are being used in one radio, then it's a scanner that you would get. I agree, many of the budget radios that are out there cover quite a few frequencies, and obviously the more expensive ICOM, Kenwood, Yaesu ones do as well. But anyway, so this video was about the stand, and I'm just letting you know that I'm very pleased with the stand and with the Uniden. These are good value. There is a colour version of this, colour screen version, but it's £700–800. These £300 to £400, and they pretty much do the same job, but they're black and white, and there's not a problem with the black and white. And they use this system. If we go back to scanning mode, we have to exit out of that. We go menu, search for, let's just go back out. I'm trying to think now how we do this. Back out completely, then we'll go select, set scan selection, select list to monitor, and we'll just choose one there, and then we'll back out completely. That's it, we're scanning now. Push down, volume, function up here. Push down again, you got the squelch there. You have system, department, channel. You can hold, go through the channels, that you've got programmed, or you can change the system and the department, and you can load in, they call it favorites. So anyway, bye for now, just playing around, 7.3, catch you on now.